Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll walk you through how to expand the double bracket. Let's multiply these two binomials. Multiply each term in the first bracket with every term in the second bracket. So first take x from the first bracket, multiply it with the first term in the second bracket, then with the same x in the first bracket, multiply with the second term in the second bracket. So we get x multiplied by x plus x multiplied by 5. Then now take the second term in the first bracket, multiply it with the first term in the second bracket and plus with 3 multiply the second term in the second bracket. So we get 3 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 5. So let's simplify this. X multiplied by x is x square plus x multiplied by 5 is 5x. 3 multiplied by x, 3x. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. Now let's simplify this one by adding the like terms. X square plus 5x plus 3x is 8x plus 15. FOIL is a shortcut to remember the steps. Let's do one example using this. F refers the first term of each bracket, that is 2p and 3p. Multiply 2p and 3p. O refers the outer term. Outer term of the first bracket is 2p and outer term of the second bracket is negative 2. So 2p multiplied by negative 2. Then I refers the inner term. Inner term of the first bracket is 3 and second bracket is 3p. 3 multiplied by 3p. Then L refers the last term. Last terms of both the bracket is 3 and negative 2. Now simplify this. 2p multiplied by 3p is 6p square. 2p times negative 2 is negative 4p. 3 times 3p is 9p. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 6p square plus 5p minus 6. Let's do this example by following the FOIL shortcut. First, the first terms of each bracket, 6x square. Then outer term is 27x. Then the inner term is negative 14x. The last term of each bracket is minus 63. Simplify this, we get 6x square plus 13x minus 63.